Fishermen start very early in the morning. I normally wake up at 5 in the morning hearing them, their boats humming away as they're going out to get the catch of the day. The ocean smells so beautiful this morning. I love that salt air. And here's one of our local lobstermen picking up his catch. I hope he has a good one. Fishing in these parts is very hard these days. And they're not getting any money, particularly. Very low amount, like I think $2.75 a pound. Anybody can eat lobster at that price, right? Okay, have a good one. Bye-bye, fishermen.